Are you still making this terrible mistake? I look forward to meet you. You do not say, I look forward to meet you. You have to say, I look forward to meeting you. The rule is very simple. After prepositions, you must always use a verb plus ing. I mean, a gerund. For example, I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to hearing from you. My mother is bad at remembering names. To be bad at something. I blame you for not helping me. Blame for not helping me. Columbus is famous for discovering America. They are excited about spending time together. They are excited about spending time together. He usually takes part on something. He usually takes part on volunteering. Take part on volunteering. I prevented him from taking a bad decision. I am afraid of losing you. I am afraid of losing you. Remember, after prepositions, you must always use a verb plus ing. Prepositional verbs are very important. To be bad at something, look forward to, blame someone for, be famous for something, be excited about, to be excited about something, to take part on something, take part on, prevent someone from, keep on, continue, to continue, and be afraid of,